Greetings. In this video, I want to make permutations of this ideal gas law question, and I want to make 5 of them so that I can randomize them within the adapt. So I need to make 5 separate H5P items. And usually what I would do is go to the author menu and go to my H5P, and this just shows the ones that I've developed. And I'm going to go in here and I'm going to edit this. And what I did here is my question is, what is the temperature if blank moles of an ideal gas has a volume of blank L's and a pressure of blank atmospheres? And I made a Google Sheet, and in the Google Sheet I varied these values. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug these numbers in, and I'm solving for t. And then what I did is when I made my initial question, the first one was 168, the next one was 183, the next one's 197, the next will be 210, or 211 actually, 210.6, and the last one is 224. So I made the answers to correct these, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this problem and change the values of p, v, and n. Likewise, I have another sheet here. You can't see the tab if I roll this up. I could go to this next tab, and I'm solving for p given n, t, and v. Okay? And by incrementing it the same amount, I incremented this by 0.1, this by 1, and this by 0.1. It's easy to edit these. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go to the H5P, and this is my question number 2, and I'm going to copy it. Okay, now that I've copied it, I'm going to cancel out of here, and I'm going to go to new H5P, and I'm going to paste in. And now I'm going to change my question from Q2 to Q3, and now I was incrementing. If I need to go back here, I can see this. So I'm going up to 1.3 moles. So I'm incrementing this by 0.3, and it becomes 21 liters, and it becomes 1.0 atmosphere, and I can double check. So I have 1 atmosphere, 21 liters, and 1.3 moles, okay? And so the answer should be 197. So I come over here, I change the 183, make the 193.7. Then I still have to go, all the metadata has been saved, but I still have to put it in the chemistry library. I still need to give my tags, and I'm using the UALR one. I'm using the Chem 1300. And I'm using the ideal gas. And now I want to come down here. I want to include this in my private. And I'm going to now go and save this. And if I go back to my H5P, I should see a Q3 here. And if I click on the Q3 and I choose the, what did we say, 197, and it's been corrected. And now I repeat this process 2 more times so that I have the 211 and the 224. And now I will have 5 versions of this question that I can randomize when I make my adapt assignment.